Hope we can bring him home safely. Entertainment news at 7. Get ready for the return of the Ingalls. Netflix ordered a reboot of Little House on the Prairie. The original hit show ran from 1974 to 1983 with a movie in 1984. Of course, Michael Landon, Melissa Gilbert, Melissa Sue Anderson. Based on Laura Ingalls Wilder's books about her late 19th century childhood in the American Midwest, and looking forward for that reboot. If you should have your kids watch it. It's very wholesome story. You're still battling walking pneumonia. Okay, Mark.
Yes. So
I'll be back. I'll be listening.
that's good stuff. Let's go to that 10-day. We've got some rain tomorrow. I'll be tracking an update not only on the amounts for you tonight in the 11 o'clock show, Dan, the timing of it, right? Because I think a lot of folks may be thinking ahead to Friday night plans. Probably still going to be raining for Friday night. So we'll have an update on that as well as the weekend forecast at 11 o'clock.
All right. Just going to spray over here.
That was a great forecast.
Very good, Mark. Thank
you did great.
If I get through this week without getting sick, and if I get sick, I'm not
I
talking
don't think
to you.
I'm contagious anymore. I'm just,
okay.
it's
You're
like
never
when,
contagious.
when the cough lingers.
You're the only person that's walking pneumonia that's not contagious.
Goodbye.
Honestly. I'm leaving too.